Hey guys, in yesterday's video we installed a new seat into our 2005 BMW E46 M3, and we had a lot of questions of people asking us how much do those seats weigh anyway. So today we wanted to do a little weight test and show you guys how much a seat weighs. So here we have the old seat. As you can see, this is the one that's been ripped right here. So this is the old one. So we're going to put it up here on the scale, and Dan's just gonna hold it there so it doesn't fall off. And then here you can see it's right around 63 pounds. So this is a pretty heavy seat. Most aftermarket seats are right around half of this weight with the bracket, so you will have a really big weight savings by going with an aftermarket seat. Most of the weight comes from these brackets here on the bottom, and also all of those electronics to move the seat forward and back, recline, up and down. All that stuff's really heavy. So hope this video helps for those people who want to do some weight reduction on their E46 M3. And